Hey guys, what's up? It's your girl Mandy here from Louie and Bougie. I hope you're all doing well. Long time no chat. I just wanted to come on here and do an unboxing video for you guys today of something that I got for my birthday as an early birthday gift. So I wanted to come on here and share that with you guys today. It is from Tiffany & Co. So if you are interested in seeing what I picked up from Tiffany & Co. as an early birthday gift, then stay tuned. So without further ado, here is the gorgeous Tiffany blue bag. Now, I've already unboxed this and opened this gift, so the wrapping is not going to be as pristine as it was when I first got it, but I definitely wanted to show you guys everything that came with my purchase. So, it comes in this gorgeous, iconic Tiffany blue shopping bag. And I also was able to get a silver polishing cloth as well from Tiffany, which is great, just because the piece that I got is part of the sterling silver collection. So it's good that I was able to get this polishing cloth just to make sure it stays nice and clean. It looks like it actually comes with, oh yeah, it's like folded. So it's a pretty big polishing cloth, and it's Tiffany blue, of course, and has the little logo at the bottom, which I love. So that's always great. So I'm glad I was able to get that as well. And then I have the little box here, which is so cute. It's got the iconic white Tiffany ribbon. Again, I did not do as good of a job tying this bow as they did, but it is super, super cute. And I'll just pull this ribbon off. Then you've got the little box with the Tiffany & Co. logo on it. And then it comes in this gorgeous little Tiffany & Co. pouch, which is super, super cute. I love, love, love it. And then here is the beauty. So I was able to get a little bracelet from Tiffany & Co. And the specific name of the bracelet I have here on my phone is called the Pink Heart Tag Bead Bracelet in sterling silver. And it has the little blush pink heart, which I was like, oh my gosh, this is literally me in a bracelet. Like, I could not pass this up. It is so darling, so delicate and cute, and so timeless to Tiffany. I mean, it's so iconic, this little shape and everything. And on the back it says, please return to Tiffany & Co. New York, which I love as well. It's going to be kind of hard to see here with the sunlight, but you guys can kind of see like the engraved writing on it. So it does have the please return to Tiffany on the back, which I really love, which is very iconic to Tiffany. And I've always, to be honest, wanted one of these types of bracelets. I just wasn't really sure which one I wanted to get. I didn't love the all silver one as much as I love this one, because this one's got the little blush pink pop of color, which is obviously my all-time favorite color. And I have so many things in this color in particular, so I thought it was the absolute most perfect little gift to get. And this one does retail for about $225, and that's not including the sales tax. If there is sales tax, I don't believe there was, but it does depend on your state, I'm sure, if there's sales tax or not on the bracelet. It does come in multiple sizes, so I do recommend going to the boutique and trying on in store. I did try on a medium, a small, and an extra small before I was able to get my size properly, and I ended up being an extra small because I do have a pretty tiny wrist. So I'm very particular with my bracelets and how they fit. I do prefer a more fitted bracelet than something that's really loose. I just don't like the way it feels when it feels like it's like kind of hanging off of you. So I am glad that I went in and got sized because I would not have known otherwise. I knew I would have been either a small or extra small most likely, but I'm glad I was able to try on both so I could see the difference. But I absolutely love this. I'm so happy that I have it. It's super cute. I'm actually going to wear it today, so that's why I figured I'd do this unboxing for you all so you could see everything before I wear it. But I absolutely love it. I feel like it's so classic and iconic Tiffany, but it's got a little spin on it because it's got that little blush pink heart. I believe it comes in a Tiffany blue heart as well. And I do believe there's another color it comes in too, but obviously the blush pink was definitely by far going to be my color choice since that is my favorite color, and I do own a lot of that blush pink color in clothing and everything like that. So I'm really excited to be wearing this and have this classic iconic piece in my collection. If you guys have any other questions or would like to know any more information, or if you want to have a review once I've worn this piece a little bit more, let me know in the comments down below. If you enjoyed this video, please give me a thumbs up. And if you would like to see more of this fashion content that I have, then please make sure to subscribe. I know it's been a hot minute, but I do have some other exciting videos headed your way, especially with the holiday season and my birthday coming up. There definitely will be some more videos coming out. So I hope you have a wonderful rest of your day or night whenever you're watching this, and I hope to see you guys soon in my next video. Have a great rest of your day. Bye.